Hi everybody, welcome to Introduction section, Course Content Lecture. In this lecture, I want to explain course structure and its content. Section 2, Flight Plan and Airline Operations, will introduce you to civil aviation organizations and regulations. We will study the definition and purpose of a flight plan, flight dispatcher, and airline operations. Section 3, Aircraft Limitations and Performance. The biggest section of this course will cover aircraft weights and structural limitations, takeoff performance limitations, required distance for landing, aircraft flight range, and other limitations to consider. In this section, we also will study on a real takeoff performance calculation case study. Section 4, Flight Routing, will cover basic route considerations and definitions, flight distances and the shortest route, the most efficient route, cost index concept, and we will learn why we not always fly the most efficient routes. Section 5, Fuel Calculations, will cover basic fuel considerations and definitions, minimum required block fuel, fuel tankering, and why extra fuel is needed. And finally, in Section 6, Basic of Aviation Meteorology, we will learn basic weather considerations and definitions, surface weather and upper weather. In order to make sure that you have acquired most of the knowledge of this course, each section will be finished by a multi-choice quiz. After these 5 sections, we will make a conclusion section where we will reflect the course essentials and discuss our results. In addition, I will provide recommendations on further aviation topics you may be interested in, depending on your professional and personal requirements. I recommend you to go through the lectures in the order that are presented in the course. We are finishing this lecture now. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.